dala akong 6 na maiksi lang. Dala pa pala ako isang t-shirt na extra ganito. Para 5 sila.
Hello everyone! So, nakabihis na kami. We're all prepared and ready. It's just we're waiting for our Uber pickup. So, he's gonna come around in 6 minutes. Yes. He's coming. Thank you. Hi! Tapos na kami. Well, time check, it's 28 past 10. And we have already checked in. Tapos na rin kami sa inspection area, ganyan. And yeah, we're just waiting for the gate to be opened. Mga sabi mag-open daw ng 25 past 12 because we're leaving at 1:30. So, kain muna kami ng lunch namin now here in Burger King. Dito kami madalas kumain kasi ito lang naman yung pasok sa pantaste na. Yun. Let's go, guys. Eating ko. What did you have? What are you having?
A junior whopper. And kung tawag dito. Parang cheese eh.
And this is what I have. It's a fully loaded french fry. Looks delicious. Sarap. Cheese. I love cheese. You know that, guys. Kain muna kami. Time check again. It's 11:45. So, maaga pa. But it's okay. It's better na maaga kaysa late. Ayoko na. Okay. We are boarding, guys.
F tsaka G. Tama.
So, what are you? F? Anong G?
Tama.
So, nakaupo na kami. We are now sitting on our selected seats. We are on 24 and F and letter G. So, we chose the aisle kasi may maihiin kami ni Marvin. So, dyan yung mga tao, lalagay sila lang luggages nila. Finally, we are here and we are about to fly in a few minutes. Nakakatawa kasi we are always, you know, kapag first time mo, diba, you always like to book sa may window area. And I just realized ang boring, tas ang hirap-hirap umihi. Kaya we chose the aisle kung saan yung sa gitna na 4-seater. Yan. So, at least madali akong umihi. If you can see. Dito lang yung ihian namin. Diyan. Diba? Nandiyan na agad. Yung toilet area. And, kadalasan, yung katabi namin is vacant. Alisin natin tong face tracker ko. Let's see it. Oh, that's alright.
I think nobody's sitting in here.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So, yeah. So, we are putting our bags on the side kasi nga, hopefully nga, walang umupo. So, ayun. So, our travel will be around for how long batching? For like 7.5 hours. Let's enjoy. Prepare lang kami. So guys, we are now flying. So we left around like 15 minutes, 1:15, and it is now 1:37. And the stewardess gave us the menu. So for the lunch, we have the appetizer of potato salad. We have the main course. I don't know which one because we have the shahi chicken korma and the seared salmon fish cake. I don't know which one I like. Mabayaran nyo sa atin dito. Anong yung order?
Yung chicken korma or yung salmon. Mag chicken korma ka kasi yun yung with rice eh.
Oh, so dun tayo sa chicken korma with rice. So, it's creamy chicken curry with cashew nuts served with tamarind rice. We're just waiting for them to give our lunch. At the moment we're flying. So, I'm currently watching Coco. It's one of my favorite movie that Marvin is watching. What are you watching? What is that?
Nobody 2.
So it's Nobody 2. It's an action movie, I guess. And I have the Coco. We are now waiting for our food. Let's see what we've got. So we're going to order the chicken one.
Thank you. And 2 Pepsi. That's all. Thank you.
So I think this is our main course. It is sachet chicken korma with creamy chicken curry with cashew nuts, served with tamarind rice, and this is the cheesecake. Let's eat na. So, after nyo kumain, i-make sure nyo na maayos. Tayo din naman pag binigay nyo na sa stewardess. Kasi, 'di ba, para hindi yung tapon-tapon, yung kalat-kalat. Isin nyo siya ng hindi makalat masyado. 'Di ba? Para hindi siya mahirapan magsalansan dun sa lalagyanan niya. Okay? So, you have a free water as well. Natabi namin to kasi I need that for my medication later. Gusto na kami kumain. Might go for a wee and then magtulog na ako. And we still have how many hours left before we land? So 4, 5, 6, 7. So may 3 hours to 4 hours pa tayo. Kaya we are still able to take a nap. So this is what I have. It's a Bluetooth eye cover for the flight. You can connect it to your phone and may music siya. So, minsan 'di ba yung earphone kasi, yung AirPods ko kasi, pwedeng malaglag. Habang natutulog ako, baka malaglag sa ilalim ng chair. Mahirapan lang ako. Tapos yung headset naman, parang ang toxic, meron dito, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman mag-music, pero yun nga. So, this is one of the best purchase I ever. So, namimigay naman siya ngayon ng tea or coffee. I'm gonna show you guys.
Yes, thank you.
So medyo magalaw ang ating eroplano habang tayo may kape sa lamesa. So the stewardess gave me a Pepsi and ice cream and the Goscar vanilla flavor and some kind of I think it's a cake. I don't know. I can't see. Yeah. So, and we are watching Ice. We are watching Ice Road Revenge. And going to Dubai, it's only 1 hour. Can you see? Basta it's 1 hour and 9 minutes na lang. Okay, let's enjoy the remaining hour of our flight. Sige, ikot other ka na. Don't see that. We are going to the parking area ni Kuya kung saan niya kami isasakay. Mainit ba? Hindi naman, sakto lang. Parang Baguio, ganon. Baguio feels. Walang naman niya yan, natatlong bagahe. Yes, maganda naman yung sasakyan na dala niya. And we are going to our hotel. Let's go. This is our hotel. What will you say?
Habibi, welcome to Dubai.
So this is our hotel for the next 7 nights. So dito muna tayo. Well, the usual of course, but I like because it's Nescafe. Tsaka walang hot choco ha. There you go. And in this side, oh, diba? Laban, Marriott. Next is our toilet area and the shower room. So this is, oh, kita. Oh my gosh, paano ka maliligo kung kita? Ay, okay. Wag magpanik. And then you have here, our sink is so nice. Look at this. Beautiful Marriott. Seriously, this is very good presentation. Clean. And look at the tub. Beautiful. Diba? So I think there's another, I think this is the toilet area. Yan yung toilet area. So I love it, look. And may bidet. I know, right? Bidet is life. So that's beautiful. Next, we are going to see. So there's a full-length mirror here. And then we have our telly here. Well, and then we also have the special happy birthday cake for Marvin and our anniversary here as well. See? Kaya lang, Mr. and Mrs. Kapinpin na naman to. Magagalit na naman si Marvin. That's cute. And then, for the bed, of course. But before that, I'm going to show this little 2 chairs and a table. I love it. And when you come and see outside, it's a city view. Diba? It's a city view. Beautiful Dubai. Look. Look, what is that? Diba? Habibi, hi! Eme. And this is our bed. So, as you all know, I always book for 2 beds kapag nasa hotel kami. Look at this! Happy! Ano na nangyari dito? And then this one is so cute. Happy anniversary! Oh, diba? Effort. I love it. And the birthday boy. Are you happy?
Of course.
Are you excited to meet your best friends?
The colleagues.
Yes, his best friends are here, so
Fun.
that's why we're here. And but he is very hungry now. So we are going to order food. I don't know how, but we'll see. Sabi the lounge is 24/7 open daw, Ching.
Sabi ba?
Finally, we're here in our hotel. I'm so happy kasi smooth ang lahat from the airlines going down to Dubai. Well, ang laki ng Dubai. Medyo nakakapagod. Pero hindi ko masyado napansin kasi nga, syempre, diba, tayo mga Filipino, we are kind of, we have anxiety going to immigration. Pero, unti-unti nawawala naman na, especially if I'm coming from the United Kingdom, diba? So, at the moment, we are here in the hotel. So, I booked our holiday for 7 nights here in Marriott. Why Marriott? I don't know. It's one of my favorite hotel, international. So, yeah, I love it so much. It's so beautiful. Hindi ako makahiga kasi nga dami nilang pasabog. Well, they always do that. Pero, ayun. And what time na ba? So, it's already 2:24. And we are so hungry. Sobrang gutom na kami ni Marvin. And it's so nice. You know why? Because, can I see? So, I'm gonna show you. Denisa told me to download. Kasi Denisa, diba, came here 2 weeks before. 2 weeks before us. So, I have downloaded this app called Tabata. Is it Tabata? Yeah, no, it's a Talabat. So, Talabat is an app, like a food grab app in where we can order food anytime. Grabe, ang galing ng Dubai, sobra. At nakakatawa kasi, merong Jollibee, may Chowking, merong Mang Inasal, sobra na to. May Silog Express. Oh my God, girl, what are you doing? May Kabayan Kitchen. And at this time, open pa rin sila. Ganun. Parang ako nasa Pilipinas na. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited to explore Dubai. So, isa pa sa very good service ng Dubai is when we went to the immigration, nung binalik na sa amin yung passport namin, they have included a free SIM card. It's very good kasi, well, before I came here, I downloaded the E0 for the eSIM na kasi I wanted to be connected because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be connected sa Wi-Fi ng airport. So, just to be sure, ayun, nag-load na ako ng 5 gig ng eSIM pero it doesn't have phone number na pwede kong magamit dito sa Dubai, like text or chat or call, something like that. So, this is also good because it has the eSIM na. So, scan lang daw and then I have the eSIM. Saan mo pwede to gamitin? It's a lifesaver because of the Talabat. The Talabat app is asking for the phone number. And of course, diba, delivery. Madali lang makakontak. So, ayun. less hassle lahat. Akala ko toxic, pero it's less hassle. I love traveling here in Dubai. What is that?
Chowking!
Our first meal is chowking. Siomai. Yan lang siomai ko. Here we go. So, we are having a Chowking Laureate, I think.
Ito yung Laureate ko. Hindi ka ba nag-Laureate? Tapos siomai, binili.
Siomai and chow fan. Diba?
Classic.
The classic combo. So, what you're having is a chicken Laureate. Hopefully, same lasa. What I have is, can you open mine, Chain? Morning.
Ito yung masarap din.
And this is my chow fan and my siomai. I don't know, maybe we have no toyo. So, I don't know, baka wala talaga. How's it?
Oh.
What's this? Wonton. So, we're going to taste. Yun lang, walang toyo. Dapat pala may nag-asa ko ng toyo. Chowking na chowking to. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Wala lang kaming toyo. Pero I should have requested siguro.
Oo, siguro.
Pero this is super, super, super nice. I'm so happy na agad. One night pa lang. Ano ba yan? Dubai. Sige, kain na kami. Hi, time check. It's 4 o'clock. Yes, gising pa din kami. And ang desert safari namin tomorrow will be around 1:30 and we have breakfast only until 11 in the morning. So, we don't know kung kamusta na ang susunod namin gawin. But anyway, we are always still be very grateful kasi we are able to do these things, you know, guys. So, I'm gonna show you what we are still doing. Kasi I don't wanna sleep nang hindi pa ito naaayos. Kasi the Kadi are so unpredictable. You will never know what time will they come. You might say like 1:30 or 12, pero baka bukas nandito na ng maaga. And I know that they're also very, very excited to see Marvin. So anyway, what we want to do is, we want to organize na our pasalubong. Let me show you. So these are our pasalubong sa mga bata. So I bought bag from Marxie's. Diba? Very UK kasi siya eh. But the insides are the clothes that we bought. It's very nice. Disney's, Star Wars. I bought it from Primark. Super cute designs. Hello Kitties. Ganyan. Yan ang mga pasalubong ko sa mga anak nila. So we also organized na our pasalubong for the Kali and their family. Their wives actually. So I have here, let me show you. So we have bought the Hotel Chocolate, which is, you know, our favorite British chocolate. Ayan. So we also bought tea from Wittard, and lychee and roses are favorite there. So ito yung mga binili namin. And then I also bought Dior for the wives. So I have one for Conti, one for Louis, of course. And then, Louis is my punong abala for whatever we want to do, like the salon and the massage that I've been longing for to do. But anyway, so I also have one for Rachel, that is Ereb's girlfriend. So ayan, everything is settled. And of course, my husband is an iPhone 17 Pro Max doing everything on our luggage. Well done. Kasi ayokong matulog nang hindi pa kami nakakaayos nga. Kasi gusto kong matulog ng may peace of mind para tomorrow, gising na lang kami to prepare for our breakfast. And then, yeah, kain na kami, maliligo na, and then we're going to be ready for our day 1 Dubai trip. Trip talaga. So, yun. Good night. Maliligo na ako. Bukas na ulit. Bye!